the survival details today. Hello.
Hello.
Welcome.
May I start?
Yes, please.
Hello, my name is Rati. I'm CEO and co-founder of Mediaanalytics AI. Politicians, corporations, PR agencies cannot afford delays when they are mentioned on media. It might be suicide for them. And there is only one company in Georgia providing this service. They have 150 staff and they are doing it manually. And in the best case, notification arrives after hours. So we have a solution to this problem. This is how it looks like. It has instant transcription, topic identification powered with LLM, and integrated semantic search. So our AI solutions are trusted with leading institutions in Georgia like Parliament, who transcribes sessions using our speech-to-text, the Election Commission, who transcribes thousands of hours of media during election period, Communications Commission, Pensions Agency with 800,000 pensioners. But why we are so different? So we have our proprietary speech-to-text, which we retrain every 3 months on bottlenecks, depending on the market demands. We have our own infrastructure, which is very cost-effective, and we have 20 years of experience in NLP. And so our research is funded by different donors like Horizon Europe, NVIDIA, Mozilla Foundation, and National Scientific Fund. So what is our go-to-market strategy? First of all, we will leverage our existing customers who are waiting for this product, like Parliament. And then we will approach government agencies, banks, and telcos, where we have a very good network. We worked, all our team members, in telcos for 20 years. And then PR agencies and marketing companies. This is our customer growth projection. We plan to extend to Azerbaijan and Armenia on second year of operation, and to Central Asia from third year of operation. So what is our business model? Our subscription fee is $6,000 annually, and we plan to be profitable from third year of operation and to have 80 million revenue from 50 year of operation. This is our founding team. I and Levan worked together on NLP for 18 years, and I and Tamar worked on commercialization of products in mobile operators in one team for 5 years. Thanks so much.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
Can you tell us about the business model, how you charge for this?
Sorry?
Can you tell me about the business model and how you charge for it? Like what?
We have contracts, annual contracts.
Annual contracts.
Annual contracts, it costs $6,000, what is $500 per month.
Okay, so fine. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So do you call this reputation management? Do you call this PR for the modern age? What's the general?
It's called Google Alerts, right?
Oh, Google Alerts, right. Is there an existing term for this?
PR agencies.
PR agencies?
Marketing agencies. I don't know. We call it this way in Georgia. PR agencies who take care that you are on public and
right.
take care of your Facebook account or something like that.
So it's basically a digital platform that does what in the past a PR agency might do for you.
So this term comes from Geostat, Statistical Office of Georgia, where we collected this data, and this is how they are called.
But it's right. It's what most PR agencies do for brand management.
Yes.
Right.
Right.
But I mean, you're doing brand management specifically for politicians mainly, or I mean, I saw a whole bunch of other. So are you okay? So, but you started with Parliament is waiting for this because politicians care about this a lot, right? So, but where is most of your? So, what's your pipeline look like in terms of demand?
It's not only about politicians.
Right.
For instance, I worked in mobile operator.
Okay.
And we are buying this service because we should know instantly if someone speaks on media and about our company,
Right.
or about our competitor, or about regulation.
Okay.
And when you have this kind of service, you have keywords, you know?
Right.
Sure.
Right.
As soon as this keyword is mentioned on media,
Right.
I should be notified instantly. When you are a big company,
Well,
you
okay,
should know-
but that's thousands and thousands of times a day for any size company, right? So you can't do every instance. You've got to figure out how to absorb and summarize. Fair?
in our case,
Yes.
so today it's very complicated because if I'm a mobile company,
Right.
I said keywords, what I'm looking for,
Right.
and that 150 person has big keyword list and doing it manually.
Right.
But when I have speech to text,
Right.
I transcribe everything,
Right.
and everything goes to embeddings.
Right.
Embeddings
Yeah.
automatically. And when you do semantic search, you can search any topic. No limitation on keywords.
But you need reporting, not search, right? So what do you deliver as a deliverable, sort of on the hour, every hour?
Dashboard. Must be some kind of dashboard.
Okay.
Yeah. What's your dashboard for a brand?
Yes,
For
let's
your
assume.
mobile?
Okay. Let's assume I'm a customer. So I can ask any question to the system, but at the same time, I can have list of standard questions what I'm interested in and want to get notifications if that particular question is mentioned. And it is not anymore about keywords, it's about semantics.
Understood.
For instance, may I give you an example? For instance, what is different between keyword and semantic search? If I say Apple sales downgrade, yeah? So in this case, system will miss all topics when iPhone maker is mentioned, because it's not Apple. And on the contrary, you may get notification that Apple as a fruit sales are declining, yeah. But when you use semantic search with LLM, this is our power as an AI company, and we want.
Well, it's not your power; it's ChatGPT's power.
Yeah.
Fair.
Our main power is speech to text.
Right.
Speech to text for Georgian is our main power because we trained it on media.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
And we hired media monitors, actual people. Okay.
But then you're
So the
doing
Georgian
you're doing a large language model
Yeah.
Yes.
for doing your semantic search,
Yes.
right? Okay.
Large language model with our Georgian layers,
Right.
our own layers.
So now, are
which
you saying you have the best speech-to-text
Yes.
model in Georgia?
Yeah.
Okay. So that would seem to me to be as valuable as the rest of this business, isn't it? Are you also licensing out your speech-to-text model?
Sorry? Licensing?
Yeah. If you have the best speech-to-text...
We sell as an API, mostly.
Okay.
And companies find us, for instance, Parliament and Communications Commission and Election Commission found us. I don't know how, but they bought it. They paid it very good price. So now we saw big opportunities. They are buying our APIs, and now we want to monetize it.
Okay, so you're already selling the speech-to-text
Yes.
tool.
Yes.
Good for you. That's
text
good.
to speech, speech to text. Not
Okay.
only we sell agents also. Now we are implementing them in different government, mostly in governmental agencies.
Okay. Okay.
Is GITA using it?
GITA is not using
Oh.
Why not?
it. Rustav Foundation, Scientific Fund.
No
etc.,
budget, man. No
they are-
budget.
GITA has
budget.
no budget?
No budget, man. No budget for it.
If they find budget, with pleasure.
Okay.
So explain us there was obviously we were joking with the Google alerts, so
Yeah.
but obviously you're not necessarily doing the same thing in Google alerts, right? So it's more of a specific for any particular company or agency, right?
Yes.
So tell us, is it immediate? For example, there was my name of my company was mentioned, right? And as a CEO or whoever, right, getting alert right away.
Yes.
So it's, and
How-
translated what it was, right? How we were mentioned, and
Exactly.
so tell us more
Okay.
details about it.
For instance, let's go through example. For instance, there is news. News, 1 hour news. So it has 10
Right,
hours.
so you are sucking
Let
in
him
every
finish it.
channel,
Let
right?
him explain.
Go ahead.
Let him explain.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
That's what it is.
So, for instance, there is news at 9 o'clock, and one topic is concerning elections, and you are participating in that election.
I don't want to go.
And I know, but you get notification, not only everyone in your list, your PR, etc. And once you receive that message, either from SM or what you prefer,
Right.
on email, etc., you click it, and we have archive, already recorded archive.
Right.
You just go exactly to that
To that particular,
topic.
yeah,
To that topic, you see that topic, video, I mean, and at the same time, summary of the topic. That is the second thing what we do, topic identification. And why we need this budget? Because we should have big archive of recordings, because you might be interested not only current one, but we need at least 100 terabytes. That's what we ask. And you'll have big archive for at least 12 channels. And
Right,
not
so you're sucking in all of this media.
Or major medias, yeah.
Okay,
12,
so you pick the major media, print and streaming and broadcast.
and archive.
That's a massive amount of data that you're processing.
Yes, we have
Right.
all pipelines, but just missing that NAS drive. It's called NAS drive with big amount of terabytes for storage that we could record all media. And this is very good value-added service, because archives are sold later on very good price.
Right.
I don't have
Yeah.
it in the model.
So do you guys make any research, like, who is this for? Like, you mentioned parliament, but obviously there's only one parliament, so it's, it's
So
but
currently, each governmental agency either buys this service
Cares about.
or has its own team. One, or
Right.
for instance, Ministry of Defense has very big team. All of them are doing it manually.
Sure.
Yeah.
Manually, and this is just issue of time. Who will do it, and I want to do it.
but what about companies, like businesses?
Brands.
Brands, yeah, businesses,
Corporations.
brands, corporations.
Yeah.
Brands, corporations, of course, they are.
Yeah.
In case of brands, for instance, telecom, we come from telecom. Of course, first of all, we wanted to know if we are mentioned, but also we are running our ads campaigns.
Sure. Yep.
We have ads on the air, and we should monitor. We are paying for it, and there is also need to monitor. Was my ad on air as it was scheduled or not?
Well, that's a whole different
Oh, that's
business.
a whole
but
different
that's
business,
It's an
yeah.
important business.
Yes, we are
Yeah.
paid. Yeah, this is for private companies, big
Yeah.
private companies who pay a lot, and we, as a telecom, paid a lot.
Right.
We needed monitoring of it because,
So, and are you also doing social media?
Wow.
Sorry.
Are you also doing social media?
Social media, we don't have on this proposal, but we already negotiated with Facebook this stuff, and they
Okay.
gave us tool.
Okay.
And once we get this budget, as a next way, we want to
So
include
the intent
Facebook.
is to
Yes.
expand to no. Okay.
Yes,
good,
so
good, good.
social media
Okay.
is second step in media
So
marketing.
only your customer right now is the parliament? An agency?
Not only Parliament, but Communications Commission, Pensions Agency is paying for API.
The current one? The
Current customers that are
current-
Current
paid.
customers are
Can you go to
Pensions
the slide?
Agency.
See the numbers and...
No, this service is pilot service. If you mean media monitoring, we cannot do it without that NAS drive. This is just pilot. But we are selling speech to text and text to speech to Communications Commission, to pensions agency who is buying it for 4 years and etc. But product itself is in pilot mode. It's designed, but we need storage, and we should hire 3 media monitors, physical people who will take care of quality control. You cannot run everything in the beginning. It needs.
Okay, so one last question, and we're out of time. Would GITA, David, would GITA pay $6,000 per year for this service? Would GITA pay $6,000 for this service? Yeah, would you guys pay? No? You're the only person I see here, so that's fine. Okay, thank you, though.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.